Anna, Bill, hurry up. We will be late for the train.
I'm coming!
We are at the train station. I will buy the tickets. The train starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m.
Can I see your tickets, kids?
Yes, here you are.
All aboard!
Yay! I love the train. Dad, that mountain is so big. Why is it green?
Because there are many trees on it.
Mom, why is it so dark?
Because we are going into a tunnel.
That river is so long.
Yes, it is curvy and very beautiful. Hurry up! Grandpa and Grandma are waiting for us.
Grandpa!
Oh my.
Do you want to visit our farm?
Yes!
This is Jack. He is very loyal and cute.
Hooray!
That is a rooster. It crows every morning.
Can I ride it?
No, this is a milk cow.
Wow, the fish jumps so high. I love the countryside.